Is ASi-5 future-proof?
Even from a skeptical perspective, the question of whether ASi-5 is future-proof can be answered unequivocally with a resounding yes. ASi-5 particularly demonstrates its strengths when high I/O density, large amounts of metadata and parameters, analog values, or large amounts of safe data are required. The combination of these requirements often results in multifunctional modules that can be customized by the customer to suit the specific application. This opens up new application possibilities for the AS interface wiring system, which remains exceptionally cost-effective, that were only achievable with ASi-3 to a limited extent, or only with greater effort, for example, in the case of complex measurement and function modules. More and more manufacturers, particularly in the intralogistics and pneumatics sectors, are bringing new ASi-5 applications to the market. At the same time, global demand for ASi-5 solutions is steadily increasing, even during economically challenging times. Given this positive trend, the chip manufacturer Renesas remains firmly committed to AS interface so that ASi-5 and ASi-3 chips can be expected to remain available for the long term.
For more information, visit our website or get in touch with us.